Let me just get my hands.
They're on. Okay. Hey guys.
Hey guys. This is me and Eddie. We're doing another troll video. Today we're trolling my brother with his gun.
Yeah, it has no ammo in it, and we're gonna fake shoot it.
It's a sniper.
We're going up to the one right now.
On ourselves, it burns.
I'm
We
gonna.
tested it on him. He knows how it feels, and he hates it. So we're gonna give him a little
I'm gonna
surprise.
knock on the door and open it, and then Nizar will get him.
On our last video,
We
trolled him
with a balloon, and he was so scared of
He was
it.
so scared of a balloon. Today?
Yeah, and I'm not Vons. Nizar, is it getting me?
Yeah, it's getting you.
I'm Eddie.
No, stop. Back up.
And I'm
This is
Eddie.
Eddie. Put on me now, yeah. This is the Zah. Okay, let's get it.
Okay, Nizar, stop doing poses. You know, I think they're kind of creepy. No, Nizar,
Show
go.
me on. Look at me, show me.
Okay.
Let's do this. Show my gun. Show my gun. Show my gun.
Oh. Wait, I think they're coming down here. No.
Hello?
Hello.
There's no one in there.
Really?
Yeah, they are downstairs.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. No, Nizar, downstairs, he said.
Yeah, but when they come up here, we're gonna get them.
No, Nizar, they'll probably be looking for us down. Oh yeah, Nizar. Let's stay here. Okay, so change your plans. We have to wait for them to come up.
And bite.
Okay, it's about to happen.
Look at me.
Oh, knock.
Eddie.
No, I'm gonna knock.
Keep the camera on me.
Here they go.
Go.
It's Nizar and Eddie.
Mama, حتى عدنان. قول عدنان يجي.
فين؟
عدنان, just tell him to come up.
ايش يا عدنان؟
What? What's the sup guy?
We got him good.
He's sleeping.
See ya. This is the end of this video.